Rotten post top. 33 years out in the open, this post top has rotted. I used Ronseal wet rot wood hardener to toughen the rotten post top. Wet rot hardener soaks into the rotten timber and sets to make it hard again. Rot has penetrated 20 centimetres into the centre of the post. It has dried out, ready for the treatment. In addition to the hardener, you will need a brush and protective gloves. Removing the cap with both thumbs and twisting off the safety cap, a ring pull will appear. I had to fetch a screwdriver to get the ring pull off. Carefully pour a little of the hardener into the green lid and replace the red safety cap. The wood is soft and the inside of the cavity feels dry but crumbly. Leave to dry for 2 hours. Ronseal suggests that after hardening the cavity, it is filled with high-performance wood filler. However, on this occasion, I'm just going to cap the post with a piece of wood. Job done. Please subscribe, every little helps,